welcome to this video. My name is Samuel. I'm the creator of CryptoSpreadTrader.com, and in this weekly video we're gonna review how my bots reacted to the market, and I'm gonna share with you a big loss that I just had this week. So I think it's very interesting to share it with you. And you see that sometimes we can start with a nice negative profit like this one, okay, minus 1,847 USDT. But it's not a very big deal. Before discussing this, we're gonna go back to our market and see how everything is going on. So basically, the market is ready to explode, in my opinion. Bitcoin has been coiling up. We are seeing even Ripple just boomed this morning. Ethereum broke its resistance and is holding it as a support. And BNB had a massive move. So you can see last week it did almost 60% upward move. So I'm gonna discuss about this move because it's something very important. You can see that I have bots trading to make more BNB. And what happened is that simply these bots made a loss. And why that? It's simply, so I'm gonna open all my BNB bots. Only one of them has done a loss until now, and it's a shorter term bot. So it's a KSM. So here what happened, the BNB went up, and of course this one could not follow and had a massive drop of 43%. So it bought here again, and it stopped here, and now we're in position here, did not sell yet. So yes, first of all, this bot has a very small range. So it's perfectly normal that we can have this kind of reaction. So no stress to have. We already had 6 close position, 1 stop. Basically the ratio is 4-1, so we should have hold this. We shouldn't have lost money. So we can see here in the positions that we made 0.2, okay, so globally 0.8, 0.84, and basically we lost all our profit, but we are in neutral position, so it's still fine. So how you should react to this, it's up to you. You can stop your bots, you can increase the minimum drop, or you you can simply reduce the take profit. It's up to you. For me, I did nothing right now. If I have a second loss, maybe I'll start thinking about stopping this particular bot because it's a very small range. If we check the other one, they cover a much wider range, but they are still in position. We're gonna see how all this goes. Okay, so you can see that even here the buy order is on a strong support, so there's a lot of chance that it still bounce on it. Here it's the same. Let's see on a wider time frame. So this is the Raven BNB. Okay, so it's, yeah, this one is not looking very good, but we can say that here there's still a strong support, but it could go there easily. So we're gonna see anyway. The bot does what it does, and we're gonna see how all this react. So yes, to summarize, when a particular coin that you're trading, so one of the major coins, so it can be Binance Coin, BTC, Ethereum, any coin where you can trade other coins with it, when it's in a strong bull run, it will do the opposite effect on the other side. Okay, and so this might create losses, but basically, since you have multiple uncorrelated markets, such as other markets on USDT, for example, this should average it. Okay, this being said, I'm gonna go right through the main point, which is the massive loss I've done at the beginning of this month. So basically I started the month, I think the first day I had like $300, and then beam, minus $2,000. So what happened basically, it's a bot that trades Bitcoin versus Swissborg, and I did not change the amounts in BTC. But now that the value of BTC has increased according to USDT, this made that my max investment was about almost 8,000 and my max loss 2,000. Okay, which did a loss that basically I never go over $1,000 of loss, but here it's twice the loss I usually take. Okay, so this is its first loss on 395 trades, so it's not a big deal. We can go into the account statistics here, and we can see that on the 3 last months we still made very tiny profit. Okay, so basically it this loss erased almost all its profit for the 3 last months. So it's a big hit, but it happens from time to time, and the other ones are still in the green. So we can see here that we were at 16.4k and went down to 14.5k. Okay, so it's a loss, but it's still okay, because even if we check on the account, so I trade for building my bitcoins on HitBTC, and here you can see that I still made profit on these 3 last months. So from time to time this kind of thing will happen. There's no need to stress or to panic. It happens. And the best thing to do, so first of all you check the bot and you see if the configuration is still good. So here you can see that there's a big drop. It bought here, here and there, but it did not sell here. So this thing, when you see these kind of moves, this means that your take profit in the red box here is too high. Okay, because we could have sold on this bounce. Okay, but it happened once. All the other time it was fine except this time. So before changing the configuration, we need maybe to wait for another loss before acting. Okay, so this is what I will do. So it bought here, here and here and here again, and it stopped here. Okay, and it bought right here on the top of the wick, which might seem very bad at the moment it did the trade, but it took its profit here, bought here again, sold here and bought here. So it might go again, and this will simply regain all the losses that it has done. Okay, so this is the perfect example of should you switch off your bot when you have a loss. And for me the answer is no, simply because you can see what it's doing. If it's well configured, you will often get stopped at the very bottom, and you have a lot of chance to be rebuilding your account when it goes in the other side. So yes, this being said, I reduced the amounts because it was the USDT value was too high for me, and now I'm simply letting it do its job, and I'll reassess next week. We're gonna see how it went, but basically I'm not stressed about this because last month I did almost 600 USDT. So even if you remove this amount from the 6,000, I'm still profitable. So it's basically it's fine. You will make losses from time to time. For me, it's like running a business. You know, sometimes you might have a problem and you will not be making enough profit to even cover the salaries of your employees. So you will be at loss, and you will take from your savings account to pay this only for this month, and then the next month you might get it back. So basically I see it like this. It happens from time to time. No stress to have. And as I said, I want to be completely transparent with you, so you see my losses when I have losses, and how I react to it. Okay, of course I don't like it, but you can't always win. It's like this in life, and so it's, yeah, you just need to accept. So yes, basically, if I recap the whole video, the market is seeming very bullish. Something important I did not mention is that to me we are reaching the end. Slowly we are reaching the end of this bull market that I think will end at most at the end of the year, if not before. I'm seeing lots of people talking about it, lots of people even contacting me that have never worked into crypto, or even they were never interested into crypto. Basically, they are all coming in. Everybody's talking about it everywhere. So this seems to tell us that we are close to the top. You can also use this, Look into Bitcoin, which is a very good website. So I'm going to show you a chart. So you have these two charts that I like checking to see where we are. So usually, if you compare to all previous market cycles, when we break this red line, it just skyrockets and then fall again. We haven't broken it yet. If we break it, it might go very, very high, very, very, very quick. And this is, in my opinion, I think we are going to do it very, very soon. And also here you can see, basically I'll let you read the description, but when it flashes red, it starts to be very dangerous, and you might be near the selling point. So to me, the market is very bullish, but will not last extremely long. When I say it, it can be 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, I don't know. It can fall and go back again. I still don't know, but I'm just telling you that I'm going to take some profits in a very short term. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So this was the point about the market. Regarding the Binance coin or any other coin, basically when it goes up, be prepared to have a downtrend on the other pairs. So for example, like I'm trading Venus coin versus BNB. BNB skyrocketing will mean that we are not a bear market, sorry, we're going to have a downtrend, so we might have some losses. It's up to you to see either if you want to switch off your bots, widen the range, reduce the position sizes, or reduce the take profit. But I'm not sure that reducing the take profit will do something very, very interesting, okay, because we need bouncers anyway to get out. And the last point is big losses will happen from time to time. Don't panic. As long as you have been in this market for long enough, you will see that all your gains, previous gains, will always cover your losses. And the goal is to win a little every time and not to only win, because you will not be able to only win every time. So yes, that's all for this video. I wish you a good week and good trading. Thank you.